Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix an operating system wasn't found. Try disconnecting any drives error in MBR system. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click command prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Type select disk 0. Type list volume. Find your system volume and Windows volume. In my case volume 1 is system volume and volume 2 is Windows volume. Windows installed drive letter is D. Type BCD boot space, Windows installed drive letter colon / Windows space, /S space, system drive letter colon. Botrec space, /fix MBR. Type a trip space, -H space, -R space, -S space, BCD. Type ren space, BCD space, BCD3.old. Botrec space, /rebuild BCD. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.